Hey guys, my name is Kayla and today I'm showing you how to get this look with the Shaina B Miami eyeshadow palette and face palette. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look with these two palettes, keep on watching. I'm going to start with the eyes and I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty matte eye primer in nude with the e.l.f. mini blending brush. Now I'm going into the Shaina B Miami palette. I'm using Winwood. I'm using an eye stamp, and I'm going to place the eyeshadow on the curve of the stamp. And I'm press it into my eye to have the line of where to start my crease. Now I'm going in with this SL Miss Glam brush to continue applying that shadow to my eye. Now, in that same palette, I'm going to use South Peach with another flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going in with a blending brush to kind of blend those two colors together. Now I'm going in to Biscuit Cayenne with that same blending brush to soften the edge of the eyeshadow. Now I'm going into Cafe Cito with a pencil brush, and I'm applying that to the outer corner. Now I'm taking the NYX white eye base with the Wet n Wild flat shader brush, and I'm applying that to the lid to do a cut crease. Now I'm taking the Deck of Scarlet packing brush and going into heat and applying that on the lid. Now I'm going in with the Steb Shining Eyes liquid eyeshadow in rich gold. And I'm applying that on top of the color I just placed. Then I'm going back in with that same brush to blend that in. Here's the final eyeshadow look. Now I'm moving on to face. I'm going to start with primer. I'm going to use the Tarte Base Tape. And now I'm going to use the Ulta Beauty Under Eye Primer. Now I'm going into the Ulta Beauty Color Correcting Liquid Concealer in yellow. And applying that to the places where I'm pink. I'm blending that in with the LaRousse flat foundation brush. Now I'm going in with concealer, and I'm using the NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer. I'm blending that in with the same foundation brush. Now for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Better Skin foundation, and I'm mixing that with the Farsali Unicorn Essence. I'm mixing that on a metal mixing plate. And I'm using that same foundation brush to blend that in. Now I'm going in with the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder and Translucent to set my under eyes. I'm going to use a flat foundation brush. Now I'm using a fluffy powder brush to set the rest of my face. Now I'm going in with the Shaina B blush brush and the Shaina B Miami blush and highlight palette. And for blush, I'm using Rosa. And for highlight, I'm going to use Sugar Bomb with a Complex Culture highlighting brush. For contour, I'm going to use the Aesthetica contour palette. I'm going to use the first contour shade with the LaRousse angled contour brush. And then I'm going back into the Coty Airspun translucent powder and the powder brush to blend that contour out. Now I'm using the Farrah angled brow brush and the $1 Billion brow powder in taupe. I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with the Jordana Easy Liner in Rose to line my lips. Now I'm going in with the half-caked lip fondant in Low Key. Now I'm going in with the Grace and Stella Rose Face Spray to set my makeup. So here's the finished look. If you enjoy my makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this tutorial, please like,